Hey there. This air duster that was sent to me to try out is like that compressed stuff in the can, but on steroids. Let's take a closer look at it and see how powerful it is. So the fan itself is heavyweight aluminum alloy, so it's really sturdy. It can be fully charged in 1.1 hours, and inside it has 3 built-in batteries that are long-lasting, so it's going to handle a bunch of recharging. The fan is USB charged, so it comes with its own cord. When it's charging, the lights will flash until it's completely charged, and then it will show a steady light. So it comes with 2 separate adapters for directing the airflow, and they simply just screw onto the product and it's ready to go. The duster itself has 2 buttons. There's one on the back side here and one on the front side. The back of the air duster, once it's turned on, you also adjust the modes with this. The lights across the back are on full, which means it is at full battery. The light is currently green. This is the least powerful mode of the fan. If you hit it again, this is yellow. It's a little bit stronger. Finally, you have the red light, which is the most powerful. This is 150 watts of power. The button back here is an option that will allow the fan to run continually until it's turned off. When the button is held down for about 2 seconds, the fan will stay on constantly until the button's hit once again, and then it will turn off. So let's look and see how powerful it is. First, let's start with some leaves since it's fall. Here I'm using the duster on the ground, and it's taking care of leaves and pine straw without any problem. Over on the concrete, it's doing just as good of a job, if not better, because the surface is flat. Really powerful. Fans also seem to be a big dust collector in my house. This turbo air duster took care of it with no problem and got to all of those hard to reach places that I couldn't get to simply by trying to use some kind of brush or broom. This fan is high power, fast charging, long battery life, and heavy weight. I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.